The world is divided into 7 continents. Let's explore each continent and its location on the world map. There are 7 continents on Earth. These continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It is located in the eastern part of the world map and is home to more than half of the world's population. Asia includes the Indian subcontinent, which is the only widely recognized subcontinent on Earth. Africa is the second largest continent. It lies just south of Europe and is known as the cradle of human civilization. Europe is located north of Africa and west of Asia. It is smaller in size, but very rich in history and culture. North America is found in the northwestern part of the world map. It includes countries like the United States, Canada, and Mexico. South America lies south of North America. It is famous for the Amazon rainforest and diverse natural landscapes. Australia is the smallest continent and also an island continent. It is located in the southern hemisphere. Antarctica is the coldest continent, located at the southernmost part of the Earth. It is covered with ice and has no permanent population. On Earth, there is only one officially recognized subcontinent, called the Indian subcontinent, which is part of Asia. Together, these 7 continents shape our planet, each with unique geography, history, and culture. Understanding the continents helps us understand the world better.